complain about why are we always cooking the same old boring vegetarian or vegan stuff. Sick of it. So first of all, I want to ask you, why are you sick of it? Is it because that you don't know how to turn a simple ingredient into a brilliant dish? Or you have tons and tons of recipes, but you don't know which one to pick and do? Or when you look at the recipes, it's just so complicated that you just give up? Don't worry. Let me show you how I started. When I started 30 years ago, there's hardly anything available, but I found this company called Sanitarian Company. They have lots and lots of vegetarian recipes, and they show you the pictures and show you the simple steps that you can do, and mostly using their products as the key ingredients. So from there, you started to see the pattern or the way that they construct the food to make it attractive, make it tasty. That's how I started. Later on, I started to look into the cookbooks, and I found Hattie McKinnon. She is be called the Queen of Salads. So in the summer times, I would just look at her book and find some really good ingredients that's simple, easy for me to do, adding more of the ingredients that I love to, and create it into my own special dish. Nowadays, you can see all those famous chefs producing their own vegetarian or vegan cookbooks. One famous one, of course, is Jamie Oliver. His book is so popular. He knows the importance of the people cooking at home, and they just want to find something available so they can bring something really just ordinary into a brilliant homemade dish. Even the young ones, this up and coming, for example, Gas Oakley. He's called the avant-garde vegan. He used to be a chef, and when he decided he wanted to turn into a vegan, he started to use his own skills and experience and produce those really attractive dishes. And they're all based on simple ingredients. He also used his own cooking skills to make something extraordinary, like people don't want to give up eating eggs. He created a vegan egg. So when you have time, go and Google it, and you will see his video about how he created this vegan egg. It's quite interesting. Have a look, you'll be amazed. There are so many different kind of interesting recipes available now that you can make at home, and it's not going to be boring. Alright, you can also go to my website, missygrace.com, or go to my Facebook page, Vegetarian Beginners, to get some ideas and concepts to do something really simple, easy, but not boring food at home. And my Instagram is Missy Grace. I have over 800 my food journey as a blog, so you can see how I develop my own vegetarian vegan cooking. So until then, be well, be happy. This is Missy Grace.